Hey, it's James from Finney Electrical, and on today's video we're at Van Fit Solutions. We'll get some racking done, let's get into this. So here we go then, we've got the van in the shop. This is the new van then. So we're going with the little Vauxhall Vivaro 22 plate, and then we're just gone through these different solutions now then. So that's all, they're all getting everything chopped up at the moment. So they've just done like a, I basically just picked a few things on the Instagram and said, right, I want that. So nice and easy then, and then they've just done a quick sketch then and run through it with me, so it only took about 5 minutes. So you can just bob down, go through stuff and then just leave for the day. But I'm going to be obviously filming this video of it getting done. But yeah, this is what they've come up with then. We'll have racking then across this side then. So that'll go from the back door across, and with the Vivaros, the double opening, so you can open this side and that side. So it's just going to be for like sockets and switches and any materials. So it'll be like little pigeonholes like this, or like this. So that's what you'll see then. So you've got loads of space for different bits. So it's nicely racked out. So from this side to that side, they're going to have a nice opening, so they're going to take them dividers out and make it a bit deeper, and then you've got to put drums of cable in and bits like that essentially, as on this side, so you'd have to reach all the way in. Obviously this is a raised bed platform, so there'll be like a little van vault on this side, so you'll pull it out, you can keep all your decent tools in there so don't get robbed. And then the left side's just going to be an opening, so we can use that to slide in ladders, or on the Vivaros you've got like a little flap up thing, so if you keep this as a hole, we should be able to slide like up like 3 metre lengths all the way through and get it under the seat, and that way we don't have to have a roof rack, so it's a lot neater solution. So that's that side then, and then this side then, that's from the other angle then, and we've got this wall of racking. So again, van vault opening for your conduits to go through or whatever, more than 3 metres, your trunking or whatever. And then sat on this bed then, there would just be a little racking station here, similar to that then. So it'll be probably that wide. So it's not a massive unit, but it should fit between the slidey door this side and that there. So when you open the slidey door this side then, there'll be like a little gap there where you can put bits. So if you notice, we've used this section, but from here, there'll be like a little flap down door. So you open this up, flap down the door, then you can put like, I don't know, any bits you hardly use in there, and it's just got like a little latch which stops it flapping opening. Right, let's see how they're getting on then. So there we go, van's in shop then. So it's empty at the moment then, but this will be all racked out then. So they're going to put like a van vault this side, like we saw as by the drawing. Little hole here, but to slide through, that'll flap down, get all your bits in, and obviously racking that side, racking all the way full length, and like a little flap down drawer for a bit of storage underneath. So there we go, that's the flooring all made up then, so that's all ready for the van vault to slide in. That's looking pretty sick. So the mat to slide this in, that's looking great. There we go, so that's going to get fixed down, but that's looking sweet. So you've got to get your ladders in there and any long bits straight through, straight into that flap, so it's going to look pretty sick. Right, so we're halfway through then, so we've got all these siding now, that's looking brilliant. We're trying to film a TikTok at the same time, so we're just keep getting little videos for that. Obviously the van vault's still to go in, and then this side piece is just building up now. So we're just sanding all off the edges and making it nice and neat and sweet. Right, they're all pre-drilled now then, so that's all ready to go in, so that's one side on. Looking brilliant. Incognito mode. Alright lads, are finished now then, so it's looking brilliant. So we'll give you a little van tour then. Oh, can't wait. Hey, what do you think then? So this is the van, it's all finished. So this is for one of the new lads we're taking home. So I don't think we can name who he is yet, just because he's, I don't think he's told his company yet, but yeah, it's looking sick. So obviously you got racking all here then, a few little bits and bobs here then. A little pigeonholes for sockets and switches and connectors. And then this side, we've left this a deeper base, so you can customise this, fully customise it to whatever you want, and they'll basically just build it for you. But with this depth here, we'll have to get some big cable drums of every size in there. And then we've got the van vault then, so unlock it, that slides right out, so you can get all your cold toes in there, get him locked away. Once that door's shut, no one's getting in there. So you've got a super secure locking system there then. And then obviously here we've got the laddered area then, so we can get his ladders in there, and flapping that flap down, we're about to get some 3 metre lengths. So with my van, we've ended up, well, caging this in, but this flaps right down, you can get lengths all the way through. You just lift up your front seat and that goes all the way through to the front. So that's perfect for any kind of conduits or cable tray, anything like that. So yeah, mine, I'm probably might need to get a van racking on it. So obviously if you get this kind of setup, it saves you on any racking you have to install. Take a look at the side then. So side drawer, again you got a nice little cubby hole there for anything, that little pigeon trays. So you might have all your stuff you always use, like a socket, your light switches, stuff like that in here. So that'll be perfect for the lad we're taking on. I think he'll be pleased with that. You'll have to tell me what you think in the comments below, but I think it's absolutely brilliant. So it's loads of room for storage here, and you got this big floor space for putting anything. So if you've got any big cable drums, anything like that, you've got to fit in there nicely. And obviously you got your security of that, everything can go under nice and neat and sweet, and you haven't got your van just rammed full of random stuff just in a big pile. So yeah then, so it's Van Fit Solutions then. So we've got the main guy of social media here then, so if you tell us a bit about this van then.
I don't know about the main guy, but yeah, you've had a cracking fit out to be fair. You've gone for the hex upgrade on the top, which gives longevity and added protection. All our racks come with all the metal trim up and down, fronts and backs. Any point where there's going to be stuff going in the van, tops of the floor, tops of the voids, will all be metal trim just to give you longevity. Everything's pin glued and screwed, everything's riveted to the van. Once it's in, it's in. There's no right or wrong with ourselves, everything's bespoke. So whatever you've got in mind, however you want it, you give us a call and we'll figure it out for you.
Sweet, cheers for that dude.
Hey, no problem mate, no problem, thank you for coming up.
Aye. There you go, you've heard it then. So if you like this van and you like this kind of content, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification so you know when we next upload. So it's good from me, and I'll see you on the next one.